What's going on, Christine?
We're making a music video.
We're making a music video.
You got a roof over your head at night, then you're doing alright. Alright. Doing what you wanna do with your life, then you doing alright. Alright. You really know what you need to survive, then you doing alright. Alright. Keep your hope and your dreams alive, then you doing alright.
On our last episode, we moved over to Norman's Pond Cay, where we explored the mangrove-lined rivers. We then took the narrow, shallow channels over to Prime Cay and had a long overdue reunion. Then we all jumped in the dinghies and went out to the reefs to spear some dinner before getting chased off by a shark. We are in this absolutely spectacular anchorage, but we are unfortunately getting some rare infestation, so we're a little choppier than we'd like to be, but there's a nice sandbar that seems to be knocking most of it down. Sometimes being on a boat isn't always idyllic and calm. The wind can blow out of the wrong direction and will rock you back and forth for hours on end. The easiest way to escape this is to go exploring. Once we got to the beach, we noticed the waves from the prior weather system were still crashing on the ocean side of the island. This was creating a cool waterfall type effect as they flowed down into the anchorage.
It's an engine? Having been at Prime Cay for the last several days, we were all starting to feel that this place was special. One of those times you look back on that you want to last forever. Maybe it was the solitude, or the time spent with great friends, or just the stunning beauty. But whatever it was, Prime Cay was leaving its mark. So Joyce, in a moment of sheer exuberance, wrote a song about it, which led to the only logical decision, making a music video. So we hiked to the beautiful Crescent Beach on the far side of the island to shoot it. At the end of this video, you can see the cheesy, cheery, wonderful creation that was the Prime Cay Adventures music video.
As our time at Prime Cay was coming to an end, we went to the beach for one last bonfire and a beautiful sunset. The next morning, we'd be moving to Darby Island. Up early, and with a good, strong following wind, we made the several-mile trip north to Darby Island.
What are you doing? You like sailing?
The history of Darby Island is an interesting one. Gifted to Sir Guy Baxter in the late 1930s by King George of England, it was a thriving plantation and a prime source of income for many Bahamians during that time, producing palm oil, fruit, cotton, and having a large livestock population. Operating during the height of World War II, it is believed that Sir Baxter was a Nazi sympathizer, who was helping to guide German submarines prowling the Atlantic nearby, and even going so far as to provide a deep water inlet to allow those submarines to take refuge and provision. It is also speculated that he used the island's network of caves to help hide German submarine crews. Today, you can see the dilapidated remains of the massive 8,000 square foot castle atop the island, as well as the nearby concrete docks. There are still some trails around the island, but are mostly overgrown. We did hike up to see the castle and also came across some nearby caves. It is hard to imagine this place during its heyday, but the views atop the castle were breathtaking. Also, the island is currently for sale, and if you can come up with a cool 40 mil, it can be all yours.
This pretty little desk. This floor is.
What poop is that? Is that deer poop?
Yes, deer scat.
Deer on
Oh, look, our boats are out there.
When you're feeling down and blue and you don't know just what to do, look up in the big blue sky. Soon you will be feeling high at Prime Cay Adventures, where you can have so much fun. At Prime Cay Adventures, living it up in the sun. Snorkeling, swimming, fishing, and spearing. High fives, best friends, puppy dogs, and dreams. Sailboats, lobster meat, getting hot in the heat. So much to do, the water's so blue. At Prime Cay Adventures, where you can have so much fun. At Prime Cay Adventures, living it up in the sun. Living it up in the sun. Living it up in the sun. Do 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 do. Okay, so back up. Keep on going back. Right there. Yeah. Go crazy. Yeah. More. Humps. Thrusts. Yeah.